If you think a rebrand is just for aesthetics, you might face declining customer trust and market traction. The issue isn't merely about design, it's about strategic alignment. Until you recognize this, true growth will remain elusive. It's easy to assume that once you have a product market fit, a rebrand adds little to growth. And on the surface it feels harmless, but the hidden risk is creeping misalignment that erodes value. Noticed only when margins and win rates slip. The early warning signs often show up in three key areas. Firstly, sales cycle lengthen, price pressure rises, and pipeline quality softens. You end up chasing volume to stand still. Secondly, teams interpret strategy differently because the story is unclear. Marketing, product, and sales all pull in different directions. And thirdly, prospects struggle to understand your value. Customers feel you have outgrown your promise, which dents trust and referrals. This isn't just a design refresh, it's a risk multiplier, and one that compounds quietly until it's too late. By the time symptoms are visible, course correction costs more and takes longer. So at MistryX, we help leaders reframe the issue, use rebranding to align strategy, story, and experience around where you can win. This shifts the question ultimately from, do we really need a rebrand, to what must our rebrand change to drive growth? That opens options beyond design, including pricing, packaging, and routes to market. There may be some short-term misalignment as stakeholders adjust. Targets might dip while you update tools, train teams, and phase communications, but the upside is clear. You typically see traction build within 2 to 3 quarters. Across mid-market organizations, you can expect 3 practical outcomes as you make this shift. Firstly, sharper positioning lifts qualified demand, shortens sales cycles, and supports firmer pricing across key segments. Secondly, shared language clarifies priorities, speeds decisions, and reduces rework across product, marketing, and hiring. And thirdly, a coherent promise delivered consistently deepens customer belief and energizes employees to be stronger advocates. The lesson is, safe brand choices often look smart in the short term, yet the risks they mask are far costlier. So reframe the problem and stronger results will follow.